everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 error code 30005-8. And this typically happens because your hard drive is corrupted or something like that. And what you want to do is put your PlayStation 4 into the recovery mode, and then I want to rebuild the database. So go to your controller right now, and we want to go on over to the power options. So hold down the PlayStation button, go to power, and go to turn off. We want to go to turn off, not enter rest mode. So our PlayStation is completely turned off. Alright, so this is preparing to turn off. Now grab a cable, a charging cable, and plug in your PlayStation 4 controller. We'll need this for the recovery menu, otherwise we won't be able to operate it. Then if we go on down to my PlayStation 4, the cable is connected, and we want to place this into the recovery mode. So wait for the light to stop flashing. When it's completely turned off, we just want to hold down the power button. So this is completely turned off. Hold down the power button. You will hear one beep initially, and then you're going to hear a second beep, maybe like 10 to 15 seconds later. So there's that second beep. I'm going to let go. My cable is plugged in, you can see. Now, with the controller, I'm going to want to press the PlayStation button so it can actually operate the menu. So if we go back up to the TV now, you can see on my screen the options for recovery mode. So let's press this. Now I can operate the safe mode menu. Now what we want to do is go on down to option number 5, rebuild database, and select this and go to OK. Now it says it's going to take a few hours, but in my experience it only takes maybe like 5 to 10 minutes to rebuild the database. So if you have any kind of corrupted data with your game saves or something like that, this should go ahead and fix it. So just put it into the rebuild database mode and then launch up your game. Now you could also go over to your game if you're having a problem with the game. You could try deleting all the data and then re-downloading it from the PlayStation Cloud, or you could try just deleting the game altogether. So it's rebuilding the data right now. As you can see, it's going really, really quick. So if it says it's going to take a few hours, ignore that. And depending on how much information you have, it could be taking a little bit longer. So there we have it. Now my PlayStation is going to restart, and I can try this out, and this typically fixes the error code for me. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.